There is a built-in feature in VS Code which allows you to compare two files. So let us see how to do this. So I have got these two files here and I want to compare this one, startup tools and startup tools copy. So to compare these files, just select those files in this file explorer and then right click and then click on compare selected. And you can see the differences clearly here. So this copywriter copy.ai, this line is different. You can see here this particular word is different here, and also there is extra space in this second file. That's it. It is such a simple thing to compare the files in VS Code. You don't need to install any extension. It's a built-in feature in the VS Code itself. Thanks for watching.